creamy sausage and mustard casserole. Oh my goodness, guys, this is pure bliss. I hope you decide to try this. Let's just go, guys. This is so good. Okay guys, so the sausage we are using today are these jerk chicken sausage. I've never tried them. They're really out because of the Black History Month in the UK. So these are what we are going to use. It's 6 of them inside. Okay, we are going to use onion, ginger, some bay leaves here, and I have 3 types of mustard. So I have the Dijon, the English, and the whole grain mustard. I have mushroom. We are going to need oil and obviously the saucepan, and we are eating it with mashed potato mixed with squash. You know, we are cooking everything that is in season today. So let's start. Okay, my lovely, I hope this video is self-explanatory, but okay, first of all, we are going to heat up the oil on the pan, and after heating that, we are going to brown the sausages. Okay, so we brown them until they are golden brown all over. We are not cooking them thoroughly, they will continue cooking further, so about until they are brown. So heat your pan to a medium high-ish heat. So I have my little helper here, and he was around there helping, and that's why I even had to speak. While it's cooking, so don't worry about that. So we are going to cover the pan, and we are going to cook this and reduce the heat, and then allow this to simmer for 20 minutes. So reduce the heat to a medium to low and let it simmer for 20 minutes. So Here I was checking 20 minutes later, the water has reduced, and now the last stage is to add in our mustard. So I have 3 types of mustard. I have single cream here, again measurement down below. Okay, just open this and mix sure that it's well mixed. And I'm measuring here half a cup of single cream. You can use double cream, but I prefer it with single cream. And mix the cream and the mustard together before adding into the casserole. Ooh, looking good. Okay guys, so we are going to add this, and at this stage the heat was to medium to low. We are going to increase this to a proper medium so that it can boil again for further 5 minutes. At this stage, while it's boiling, even though you will cover it, keep an eye on it. If you have to, you might not need to cover it, so that you are turning it so that it doesn't burn, because once you add cream and stuff, they tend to burn quickly. Oh, it's looking so good. Excuse the steam. I'm just about to serve. I'm adding in a handful of parsley. This is optional, but oh, it brings a nice fresh flavor in it. Ooh, this was so good. A game changer, guys. My favorite. Everybody loved this. Even my picky eater, my 3-year-old, loved it. So yum yum. Here it is, all done, looking good. I served it with mashed potato with butternut squash and some steamed savior cabbage. Plating it for the gram, guys. You know we have to do that. Ooh, looking so good. This was so good. This jack sausage, no, game changer. Really good. I'm planning another recipe with them soon because I really love them. I hope you are inspired, guys. Thank you for being here. If you decide to try this, don't forget to tag it. She Cooks It All. Send me a picture or post it and tag me. Until next time, guys. Bye bye.